Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. They are colorful, they are crunchy and they are packed with flavor. These Goan style Forminhas are a must have for any party table. And today I'm showing you how to make them step by step. Grease the tarts with clarified butter. Grease the back side of the other tarts. In a plate, sieve half cup of flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Mix. Add half teaspoon of clarified butter. Mix till it resembles breadcrumbs consistency. Add water as required and knead to form a soft dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Shape into round balls. Roll the dough. Cut out circles. Place the circles in the tarts. Spread properly and press. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Using a fork, prick the center of the tart. Place the tart which was greased at the back side on it. Tie tightly with a thread. I'll be frying 2 tart shells and the rest I'm baking. If you want to bake the tart shells, place them on a baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, but keep checking after 10 minutes if they are ready, as temperatures and timings of various ovens may differ. Then cut off the thread and demold the tarts. Look at how beautifully they are baked. If you want to fry the shells, then heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the shells. After frying, cut the thread and demold the shell cautiously. These two shells are the fried ones. Next, I'm preparing the filling. 1 boiled beetroot chopped. You can skip it if you want. Chop some French beans, 1 carrot and 1 potato. Place a vessel on medium flame, add water in it. Once the water starts boiling, cautiously add the vegetables. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cover the vessel with the lid and let the vegetables boil. Once the vegetables are cooked, drain the water. Transfer all the boiled vegetables into a bowl. Mix. Add black pepper powder as per your taste. I used 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use mayonnaise as required. Add salt as required and mix well. The filling is ready. You can fill the tart shells. Remember, the tart shells have to be filled only before eating. This is one of those recipes that look fancy, but actually quite fun to prepare at home. And the best part, you can customize the filling however you like. Goan Forminhas are not just pretty, they are perfect for tea time, parties, or when you want to impress guests with something light. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.